Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jela kala Pyntreikam Biang ya ka Memorandum of Understanding balay soy bat ka Athena Private Limited na kabenta ban shana ya ka silam penmi boarding jong ka Kynshi Hydro Power Project STAGE-1. Menteri ka tanat boarding u Abu Teher Mondal ha ka jingkran bat kilat patay kubor u laitu ba ka jingtarwa ban Pyntreikam Biang ya ka soskolar on sara ha ka jialang jong ka kenhun menteri bakan a jing menjor.
Now with the new technology, ROR is also feasible. So they want to go for the same old proposal of ROR only minus the PSP thing. So as we have scrapped this thing in the cabinet, we got to take it into cabinet to again reinstate the old MOU. So this is the present status. And today's meeting gave me some energy also. I already told our department people to get in touch with the people that it is not only signing of MOU, but they should execute the project also.
So this memorandum of agreement, the fresh one, when will the government sign this MOU with the Athena?
No, there is no fresh MOU. MOU was earlier. It was, I exactly don't remember the date. It was signed that time. Okay. And then what happened? Then we have scrapped. There was no new MOU signed. Now the old MOU which has been signed years back will continue.
Okay. So what will be the capacity for production of power?
So they will be coming back now. They are working on it, that how much production and all these things will come. They will be coming back. So hopefully on that basis we will move ahead. Actually, they will be coming back. Our commissioner secretary is on training, so once he comes back again, I will.
So all this project will be owned by MECL or?
No, it will be owned by that company. State government will get 12% free power, and 1% free power will be used for the local area development.
So they have also suggested the committee.
One of the agenda was there. That they should. I told them I'll try my level best to have a joint meeting. It is good for us also to know both sides also. Trying, and we had a very fruitful meeting. And personally, I am very happy that they express their views and ideas, how they want to go. And the most important thing that the locality people, they now want to cooperate with the department, so also with the agency who will execute the project. So I am very much optimistic because we need further generations. Now without generation we cannot enhance our power positions. So they met me. I am very thankful. I am in touch with them for quite a long time, near about 1.5 years. We are over phone in the office. Earlier also we said. Today they came with a charter of demand, and whatever they discussed, it is okay. There is no problem.
What is the status of the
project? Is like that. I don't know exactly when it was allotted to Athena, something like that. Athena Power Corporation Limited. So after that, because of the uranium issue, the reduction of the height of the dam and all these things, then it is becoming economically unviable and all these things. Then there is a buzzword in the power corridor, means power scenario, that there is the chances of PSP, the Palm Storage Project. The policy was in draft stage. Everybody expecting many things, including us also. We were expecting that many things will happen. So they wanted to go for a hybrid model. That means ROR also will be there and PSP model also will be there. But then they found that nothing has happened. So they now want to go with new technology, the same old ROR project. So in the cabinet, what we decided, because as their earlier MOU was only on the basis of ROR. But as they wanted to go for a hybrid model with ROR and PSP, and there were two problems. One problem that in MAU nothing was there called PSP, and secondly our power policy was also not having any PSP things. So now our newly notified power policy PSP we have incorporated into it, and we wanted that if you want to go for amendment, every line you'll have to amend. So ultimately they agreed that this old ROR MOU can be scrapped and new MOU can come in the form of this hybrid model. And accordingly, Cabinet has decided to scrap the old MOU.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.